Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the ClickUp application on your smartphone or your tablets. First of all, launch open your iOS device or your Android device, whether you are using tablets or mobile device, and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now launch open Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in ClickUp. Within the search result, look for the ClickUp Tasks, Chat, Docs, AI application from ClickUp and tap on the Install button or the Get button to start the download process. Now wait for the application to install on your device, and once it does, click on Open. And now you have successfully installed ClickUp on your device. You can now go ahead and sign up for a new account and get started with managing tasks, projects, and collaborating with your team. So that is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.